Hello guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MCA new course and this is MCS 2014. And now here, this is the passage we have given. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions of this PDF on our WhatsApp number. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. This is my number. My name is Priyanshu and please send a hi on this message, so and you can ask any question regarding this. So we provide all the solutions at very minimal charges. And now the question number 6 we are discussing here, which is fill in the blanks with suitable proposal. Last year the Indian Trade Fair 2023 was held dash the Bharat Mandapam and the Pragathi Maidan, Delhi, November. And dash that the fair was organized by the Trade Fair Authority of India. The fair was open dash 11 a.m. dash 9 p.m. and dash all the day for public. It was an all India fair. Traders and manufacturers dash all the states participated dash it. The aim of the India and promote trade and industry dash the country. So you have to just fill out the prepositions and the suitable places. And now you have thank you so much for watching this video. If you need answers, so you can contact us without any hesitation. Thank you. We will meet you soon in the next video.